In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in your Wix website. Whether you're building a personal blog, a business site, or an online portfolio, linking pages is a fundamental part of creating a seamless experience for your visitors. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a smooth, interconnected site that's easy for visitors to navigate. Let's dive in. To start, open your Wix website editor. Once you've logged in and selected the site you want to work on, you'll see the main dashboard where all the magic happens. This is your creative playground, and it's where you'll be doing all the design work. Familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already. It's user-friendly but powerful, offering many features to help customize your site to fit your needs. Now, click on the page that you want to add a link to. By selecting a specific page, you control where the links you create will be placed. Imagine it as choosing a starting point for a journey within your website. You might be linking from your home page, a services page, or any other key page that makes sense in your site structure. Next, it's time to create the link. Click on the element in your page where you want the link to be. This could be text, an image, or a button. Make sure that the element you choose is the most appropriate for users clicking through. Ideally, the link should make them want to explore further. With your element selected, click on the link icon. This step is like connecting the dots, allowing you to create a pathway between different areas of your site. When you click on Link, a new menu will appear showing a range of options for link destinations. From internal pages to external websites, there's a lot of flexibility. To keep everything internal, choose Page from the list. This ensures that the link will take visitors to another page within your own website. It's usually the best option for creating a smooth, uninterrupted experience as visitors navigate your site. Now, select the specific page you want to link to from your website's list. Think carefully about the user journey. Which page progression makes the most sense and encourages your visitors to engage further? For instance, if you're on your home page, you might want to link to a products or services page, providing visitors easy access to learn more about what you offer. Once you've selected the page, confirm your choices by clicking Done. This final step saves your settings and activates the link. Remember to preview your site to ensure that everything is working properly. Check whether the links lead to the intended destinations and that they enhance the user experience. And just like that, you've successfully linked pages on your Wix website. By following these steps, you'll create a more coherent and user-friendly site. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with Wix.